I started my aviation career in the United States Air Force. I had no intentions on joining aircraft maintenance. I always thought I'd go into the construction line and ended up as a jet engine mechanic and fell in love overnight. It was exactly what I wanted to be doing, being hands-on, wrenching all day. And then after I did my service, I had the opportunity to join Allegiant Airlines and see an entirely new realm of what maintenance was through the maintenance control scope. And then from there went to Amazon Air and expanded my insights for large scale across multiple carriers. And it's exciting to come here and have that same opportunity to take what I've learned and put it into practice within the actual airline operation. Commute Air is growing. They absolutely have a lot of runway in front of them to change what they're doing on the day-to-day. They obviously have an exceptionally strong relationship with United as it stands. It's clear with everyone I've had the opportunity to interact with that the company is well loved, their culture is exceptional, and people stay here, which is semi unheard of within this regional industries. Maintenance is absolutely at the mecca of what opportunity is across this industry as a whole. I really hope to set clarity in where we're going, vision, strategy, and exactly what we need to be delivering for this organization. Understanding where we're going is the first step of that process, and getting that buy-in from the entire organization to say that's exactly where we're going. I want to make sure that everyone has that buy-in and is as excited as I am to deliver that. The military establishes a lot of discipline, but first and foremost, it's a lot of self-discipline. This industry as a whole with aviation maintenance is exactly in par with that. That's my favorite thing about aviation maintenance, is you get some real-time gratification by knowing exactly what you have done turns into an aircraft departing safely and on time.